Hello everyone, my name is Angie Nieto from Secar University. Today I would like to talk about what are the factors that really matter in life. I call 3 factors that really matter in life, not just for student jobs, but for everyone too. This is based on Job's biography and his life. So the first factor is all the dots are connected. What means this? So all the way you have traveled, all the decision have you taken have a repercussion on your future. Doesn't matter if you think that your decision was good or not. Those decisions are going to make you grow as a human being. So everything that has happened in your life has come to teach you. So enjoy the path. The second factor is be resilient. Don't give up if you love what you do. So in my experience, I have had to be resilient. I have been working hard to gain my bachelor's degree in English. Now I am almost finishing it. So I say to myself every day, don't give up. Every day, because even when it's hard, the love that you have for the thing that you do is bigger than the problem that you can find on the path to your dreams. And the third one, but not the less important, is life is too short to live others' dreams. So your life matters, but your dreams are even more. Work hard for you to get your dreams come true. Life is too short to work and spend your life in others' dreams. Thank you so much.